Welcome back to the holiday road travel vlog. Hey, we are about to embark on one of the greatest adventures of our lives. We're here in Pueblo, Colorado, and we're about to take an 8-day journey to Las Vegas, hitting 7 national parks along the way, numerous state parks, other sites, scenic overlooks, all kinds of awesome stuff.
You name it, we're probably doing it.
But we're ready for the ultimate road trip. We got the car rented. We stopped at Garden of the Gods yesterday, but now we're ready, heading to our first stop today, which is Great Sand Dunes National Park. So we loaded up on snacks. This is the first road trip style adventure we've done in a while. So we've got cereal, beef jerky, obviously plenty of candy down there. We've got the cheese and peanut butter crackers, the Cliff Bars for the hiking. We do have some fruits and vegetables over there, plenty of water, but we're ready to go.
We just stayed at a Best Western Plus, and they had the best breakfast I've ever had at a hotel. They had like a whole omelet station. They had like a yogurt machine. I got stuff to go because it was so good.
So it's currently the end of May, so we just figured it would be like it is back home in Ohio and be like in the 80s. But no, so it's currently 38, nope, now 37, and we're dropping fast. This is a problem because of 2 reasons. Number one, we're at the top of a mountain in the middle of a cloud, and I don't know if the roads are going to be frozen over in ice in any moment. And number 2, I'm wearing sandals, shorts, and a t-shirt. So that ought to be fun when we get there. We stopped at a little general store so Deanna could use the restroom, but you can see behind me, sand dunes are just huge, absolutely magnificent. We saw a smaller set on the way in. That ended up not being the real thing. This is the real thing, and they're so much grander. But we're right at the entrance to the park, about to head in. Super excited to get up close and personal with this. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone here. We got Deanna a place to use the restroom, and I got a sweatshirt because it's way colder than what I expected. So now I'm gonna be warm today.
The Great Sand Dunes National Park, and we usually always stop at the visitor center just to see what they have and see their displays and everything, but this one is mostly under construction, so they just have a smaller display open, I think. So I think we're going to skip it for now and get right to the good stuff. So we're here at a pull-off. Deanna, what's your first thoughts so far? It's so unexpected. I've never seen sand up against a snow-capped mountain. It's just so surreal. It's really, really cool. There is a singular parking lot at the base of the dunes here. It fills up pretty quick. We're here around 9 a.m. and it's very empty. So as long as you get here early, you should be just fine. This is not one of the more visited national parks, but that said, parking is limited, so keep that in mind. So there's water everywhere along the base of these dunes. I don't know if we made the right choice. We both wore sandals, which is maybe a good thing, but I mean, like running water. It's like a full creek that you kind of walk through the middle to get over the dune. But here we go. I've made it across most of the stream. This is Deanna back here, and I think she's still contemplating if she's gonna do it. It's like 40 degrees out, so that water's really cold on your feet. She's doing it. She's doing it. Oh my gosh.
Guys, that wind out there is so intense. Look at my hair. It's nuts, but it was really cool. Really cool to see. This is definitely a smaller national park. I know a lot of people rent sandboards and sand sleds to go down the dunes, but again, a little chilly, a little windy today to stay out and take the time to do that. But unlike anything else we've ever seen.
So we were at the Great Sand Dunes National Park probably for like an hour, maybe 2 hours. We did not hike up the dunes very far because one, it's super windy and hiking in sand's a little bit more difficult. Zach did more than I did. And if you did the hike, it'd probably take 2 or maybe 3 hours. I don't know. But definitely not a place you can spend your entire day, we feel like. But worth the stop if you're out this way. We're heading to another national park, so we're doing 2 in one day, and I feel like that's a smart way to kind of plan the day. This is why we leave openings in our schedule for all trips.
We found something sweet.
Very sweet. It's a UFO Watchtower.
There's aliens posted. It says this is the Cosmic Highway. And we're heading into this dude's house right now. Here, flip it around.
Yeah, I'll flip it around.
Yeah, this place is awesome. Well, 293 sightings is no joke.
I don't think so. We just keep getting, you know?
That's crazy. So are most of the sightings from the campers and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then visitors that visit during the day.
Even during the day?
Oh, let me show you this. She's reading.
That's during the day?
Yeah. The gal, it was right over here, right across from us.
Yeah.
And she got a picture of it. Well, her brother was standing next to the car, and there was
And the reflection in the car.
Oh my gosh.
And there he blew it up.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy, huh?
That is crazy.
That's crazy. The first livestock mutilation on record. I bet.
They saw UFOs the day before, and when they found her carcass.
Oh my goodness. We are heading up onto the alien watchtower itself. 293 UFO sightings on this property, just on record. Wonder what's out there. So here at the garden, or at the UFO Watchtower, there's been over 293 sightings of UFOs just documented. Apparently, they have had 25 psychics out to the property since 2000, and they have all stated that there's 2 large vortexes near the property, which are openings to parallel universes. So the garden is here to document that. The UFO Watchtower is here to spot extraterrestrial beings and crafts. And then they also have on display the skeleton of the first known animal mutilation. Really cool little stop that we did not know we would be running across today. Only about 30 minutes outside Great Sand Dunes. You can actually still see the park from where we're at. So entrance to the Watchtower is $5 a person. Now they also have campsites in the back that I believe is $15 per tent, which really isn't a bad price. And if you're looking to tent camp close to the national park, it's actually pretty convenient, and you never know what you might see.
And that is exactly why we get insurance on our rental cars when we're coming to places like this, because that little hailstorm came up out of nowhere essentially and then disappeared out of nowhere too.
Always give the hail protection. We found another little town here on our little Colorado adventure. This is the town of Saguache, looking for something quick to eat and maybe a bathroom. But this adorable little downtown here, not much here, but I don't know, it was worth a stop. Stretch our legs here. Apparently I said the name wrong. It's Saguache, not Saguache. Across this amazing little cafe and restaurant here in this town, so we're just grabbing some quick lunch, get beyond a break on the road, and then back on our journey to our second park today.
All we need is love. All we need is love in the shelter. All we need is love.
So as this road trip continues, the road goes straight into this amazing canyon. I can't pronounce the name or I tell you, but it's super cool. There's this creek with this rushing river back here, and just all this amazing red rock behind me. It's a really cool place.
Far from home. All hands stretched out the window. Surfing the breeze as the radio plays. Miles keep rolling, we'll keep going. We can live the dream alive in the shelter. All we need is love. All we need is love in the shelter. All we need is love. All we need is love.
We are just absolutely loving this drive through Colorado. The stuff you see is just amazing, and it's like every stop off, every couple miles is a new wonder.
Every turn you take, it just is something new.
All right, guys, that's going to be the end of this video, but make sure you're subscribed to this channel because we are on an epic road trip across the great American West, and we are on our way next to Black Canyon of the Gunnison. So we have a little ways to go there, but all that's going to be in the next video. So hopefully you enjoyed what you saw today. We had an amazing time seeing it, and there's an adventure around every corner.